Hello, good day, colleagues. Today we're going to be talking about something that, excuse me, that might not seem glamorous, but is foundational to our effectiveness as educators and to the health of our institution. And that topic is reporting. I know that some of us might be thinking more paperwork, but hear me out. Reports aren't bureaucratic busy work. They are the nervous system of our university. Without them, we are operating blind. With them, we can see patterns, identify problems early, celebrate successes, and make informed decisions that actually improve what we do. Think about it this way: every class you teach, every course you design, every program you contribute to, these are subsystems within the larger university ecosystem. And like any complex system, we can only understand how it's functioning based on honest feedback from its component parts. When you submit a class report, you are not just checking a box, you are providing critical data that helps us understand students' learning outcomes, identify where students are struggling, recognize innovative teaching methods that work, and spot resources gaps before they become crises. But here's the critical part, and I cannot overstate this. This report must be honest. Inflated numbers, glossed over challenges, or incomplete information don't waste time. They actively harm our ability to serve students. Bad data leads to bad decisions. Honest reporting, even when it reveals problems, is what allows us to improve. Let's start the foundational level, your individual classes. At the class level, I expect each of us to document several key elements. First, student performance metrics, not just final grades, but patterns you are observing are the patterns you are observing. Are students consistently struggling with concepts? Are certain assignments more effective than others? Second, pedagogical approaches and their effectiveness. What worked? What didn't? This isn't about judgment. It's about learning and sharing knowledge with your colleagues. Third, challenges encountered, whether that's technology failure, schedule conflicts, students' attendance issues, or resource constraints. And fourth, notable successes. Did a particular discussion transform students' understanding? Did a new assignment format yield exceptional work? Document it, please. Even if your department doesn't formally require these reports, maintain them for yourself. They are invaluable for your professional development, and they provide documentation should any question arise later about your teaching decisions or student outcomes. At the course level, by this, I mean the broader curriculum design across sections. We need aggregate reporting. If multiple faculties are teaching different sections of the same course, we need to know, are these outcomes consistent? Are students in one section significantly outperforming another? This isn't about competition, it's about equity and continuous improvement. Department level reporting should synthesize these course reports to reveal larger patterns. Are students entering upper division courses unprepared? Is there a bottleneck course causing excessive attrition? Are we seeing success stories we should replicate? I expect department chairs to provide at least semester reports that include enrollment trends, students student success rate disagreed by demographic factors, faculty development activities, curriculum changes and their rationale, and resources needs with supportive evidence. This is also where we identify connections and disconnections. Maybe the biology department is teaching research methods that would benefit chemistry students, things like that. Maybe two departments are duplicating efforts. We can't see these opportunities without reporting. At the program level, reporting becomes strategic. Program directors should be providing annual reports that assess whether we are meeting our stated learning outcomes, how our graduates are faring in the job market or graduate school, what employers or graduate programs are telling us about our students' preparation, how our program compares to peer institutions, and where we need to evolve to meet changing disciplinary or professional standard. Program level reports are where we make the case for new resources, justify curriculum changes, and demonstrate our value to external stakeholders. They are also how we hold ourselves accountable to our students and to our broader academic community. Now, here is what makes the system work, knowing that your colleagues are also doing this work. Reporting isn't just something imposed from above on a few unlucky souls. No, it's shared professional responsibility. We all contribute honest, thoughtful reports. The university can aggregate results, identify institution-wide patterns, make evidence-based decisions about resource allocations, and support departments and programs that are struggling while learning from those that are thriving. Your individual class reports feeds into course level analysis, which informs department planning, which shapes program development, which ultimately determines our institutional effectiveness. So yes, I am asking us to commit time to reporting, but I am committing that these reports will be read, taken seriously, and used to make our institutions better. Report honestly, report consistently, and know that in doing so, you are not just documenting your work, you are contributing to a system of continuous improvement that serves our students and strengthens our academic community. Thank you very much for your time. See you next week. Thank you.